Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to delete purchase history on Walmart app. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up the Walmart app. So let's launch it and then log into your account. So firstly, go to log into your account. So once you've logged into your account here, so what you're going to do now here is we're going to go to your account settings. So which is on your bottom here, bottom right, click on account. So when you click on account here, so we'll go to your account settings. So now what you're going to do, you're going to click on this purchase history. You have a section here called purchase history. So simply click on your purchase history. So when you click on your purchase history here, it will show you a list of all your past purchases. So if you want to delete an individual purchase from your history, just locate the specific item or order you wish to remove or delete, and then just tap on. So I don't have any orders here, so you just have to tap on the order that you want to delete or remove. So just tap on it, and then you will access its details. Then look for the option to delete or remove it, and then simply tap on it, and then you will be asked to confirm. So confirm it, and that's it. It'll be deleted or removed. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.